Tired of online payments getting declined, or just want an extra layer of security when shopping online? Let's find and use your RBC Virtual Visa Debit Card, a digital companion to your debit card, perfect for secure online purchases. First, log into your RBC online banking account, either through the website or the RBC mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Now, locate the debit card account you want to create a virtual card for. Click on the account to view its details. Look for an option like View Virtual Visa Debit, Virtual Card, or something similar, usually near your account details. Click on that option. You will now see your Virtual Visa Debit Card details. This includes your virtual card number, expiry date, and CVV. Remember, these details are different from your physical debit card. To use your Virtual Visa Debit, simply enter these details at the checkout page when making an online purchase, just like you would with any other credit card. Once you've entered the details, complete the transaction. Your purchase is now secured by your Virtual Visa Debit Card. Your online shopping just got a whole lot safer.